Hello, howdy guys. Today I will be showing you guys how to test Appium Android iOS mobile automation. Today will be Android part 1. I'm going to take break from the iOS mobile testing because I have several requests from people who need help for Android Appium test. So I will be start from today Android Appium test, and I'll be come back when Android certain time Android done. So we'll be again get back to iOS. So guys, my first video I'll be show you how to set up Android Studio in our machine. Let's go. So we're going to find a browse Android Studio. You will find out here. So if you have Windows, just download from Windows version. If you have Android, just click the over here and click the for license. It is the agreement, and it's downloading here. While downloading, let me guys explain about Appium Android mobile testing. For mobile Appium Android mobile testing, you need Android Studio, and also you need to set up for your Java and Android environmental setup in our command line too. So for next video, I'll be show you how to do it. But today, I'll be show you how to configure Android Studio in your machine. It's still downloading. Let's see. So yeah, download done here. Just click here. It should be in download in your download section. So put in the application. Guys, if you have Windows, you don't have to put it automatically in download. Just double click it, and it will be saved in your downloads folder. So I'm going to put the those information in those information to our document. Download. Okay. Come on. So look like it's done over here. So if you go to the application and you have Android Studio, double click it. It's opening. Okay, open. Boom. This guys now is open your Android Studio in your machine. So a couple of things you should take a look over here. They have by default they're creating some project. We're not going to take a look over here. So if you go to configure over here, you're going to see the SDK manager. Go to the SDK manager, and you will see over here your Android SDK location. This location you will need in future, so make sure that if you go SDK manager you will find out Android location. So over here another things, you can see, you want to see something about your update sites. If you see over here you can see Oracle operating. So go back, if I go to the go back and configure and go to the project default also, and project structure, and also you can see here Android location is here showing, and cancel over here and go to the configure and see the project default setting. When you go setting, you can change by appearance whatever you want, guys. But this is customized things. I mean, you should not worry about this, but if you want you can do it from here. And also there's one of the things, you have to take a look. Preference, when you go preference, I'm not sure it's preference, I forgot, let me check. Configuration, check for updates. Okay, there's some error, I don't know why. I mean, this should be, this is auto update, maybe for that reason. Let's see, setting, import, export, plugin, preference, SDK manager, default, project structure. Yeah, so over here something, preference, plugin, import setting, export setting, you are setting repository you want, check for update. This is auto object, maybe that's why it's showing that. And if you go default, there's a settings, then you can see editor, where you can edit, version control. Over here you can take a look. This should not worry. So now we know how to download or install Android Studio in our machine. The next video will be set up our environmental variable in our machine for Android Android Studio. So keep tuning, guys. If you like my video, feel free to press the like button, subscribe, and if you have any comment, any issue, please just let me know in the comment section and I will be answering as soon as possible. That's it for today, and see you soon, guys.